Greetings from Florida. Today we're working on a Lincoln MKS from 2009 to 16 or a Ford Taurus from 2010 to 18. This clip is double speeded, so it'll only take you about 8 minutes to watch it. So we've got a 10mm bolt behind the chrome pull handle. We've got another 10mm bolt right there. The panel pulls off. Oh, and I forgot, there's a couple screws at the bottom. You're going to unplug the wiring harness to the switch, which was actually this guy's problem. But I also changed the motor, so you're going to get to see how the regulator comes out too. So if you need to change the regulator or the motor, I'll show you that as well. So we're going to unplug the switch and we're going to go ahead and take off the cable that goes to the handle, the silver handle. Pull back the plastic. I'll need to take out the speaker as well. Sorry about the glare from the light. I think those were 7/32 small screws. Now, I've been here before, and I put the window up for them, but to get it back up, I had to just go ahead and put the motor onto the regulator with some cable ties, just so I can get it up until I can get the parts in. There was a back order on the switch. So you get a couple tabs right there. You're going to push in and pull that plastic tab back, and the same thing on the other side. You're going to push in and pull it back to free the glass. Also, a little bit of WD-40 on the two up and down channels on the side. The two vertical channels on the side would help too. So then you get 5 10mm bolts. Should come out no problem. If you have any questions on this, please ask the questions on YouTube. I'll be glad to answer them. That will help everybody. If you found this beneficial, please like the video or subscribe to my channel if you'd like. But like the video so that way other people can find it as well. That's how YouTube gauges whether it's a decent video or not for what they're looking for. So there I just tried the new switch to see if the window motor worked, and it did. I was reaching around for one of the screws that fell in. The motor's held on by a little bit of WD-40 there, wasn't hurt anything. And to put the motor on, I want to say 20 or 25 Torx screws go on to that to hold the motor to the regulator, not a big deal. Slide that back in. I'm plugging in the motor right now. Let's put the nuts back on. Actually, I think it was 4 nuts and 1 bolt that went in right near where the motor is. Yeah, there's the bolt. Tighten everything down. You're going to lock the glass into those brackets. Put the speaker back on. Those might have even been 5/16 screws. Let's grab the panel. Remember to hook the, well, first thing I gotta do is take the switch off. Switch housing. There we go. Remember to hook that cable onto the handle. So I'm just changing out the switch. And then you get the, oh, by the way, test out the latch. Close the latch with your fingers and just pull that silver handle and make sure that it works okay. So now we're putting the 10mm bolts back in. And I think you've got the rest of this under control. And again, if this was helpful, thank you. And please like the video and have a great week.